Hello guys, today we are going to start a new topic, that is the biological classification. We are going to study about the first kingdom, that is the kingdom Monera. Kingdom Monera is a class in which prokaryotic unicellular organisms are present. As you know, bacteria are present everywhere on earth, on your hands, on your clothes, on your mouth. Everywhere there is presence of bacteria. Kingdom Monera has 70S ribosome. They have naked DNA and the DNA is not surrounded by any nuclear membrane. These organisms lack mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, plasmids, centrosomes. All these are absent in such organisms. Their cell wall is rigid and made up of peptidoglycan. As you know, they are present everywhere on the earth. They are environmental decomposers. They reproduce by binary fission. Binary fission is the process of their reproduction. Now we can categorize bacteria into 4 basic categories according to their shape. The first one is bacilli, second is cocci, third is spherical, and fourth is vibrio. All these 4 categories are according to the shape of the bacteria. All these bacteria are very complex in nature. Some of the bacteria are autotrophic and some are heterotrophic. Autotrophic means they can synthesize their food by their own, and heterotrophic means they are dependent on nature to provide their food. In autotrophic, they can be both chemoautotroph or photosynthetic. Chemoautotroph means that they are synthesizing their food with the help of chemicals, and photoautotrophs means that they are synthesizing their food by the help of sunlight. Heterotrophs means that they are dependent on dead organisms or dead material for their food. Bacteria are known to be the oldest organisms found on nature. Kingdom Monera can be classified into 3 types of bacteria. First is the archaebacteria, second is the eubacteria, and third is the cyanobacteria. Archaebacteria are one of the oldest bacteria found on earth and they produce methane. Second category is eubacteria, also known as the true bacteria, and they can be further categorized into gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. The third category is the cyanobacteria, which is also known as the blue-green algae. These bacteria are photosynthetic in nature. This was the classification of Monera. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.